To this, in fact, we have breaking news coming in. Prime Minister has urged people of the national capital and the North India to stay calm. PM has in fact asked people to follow the safety precautions, and he has asked the authorities to keep a close watch. In fact, right after the massive earthquake hit the national capital, this is what the Prime Minister has stated on X. He has said tremors were felt in Delhi and nearby areas, urging everyone to stay calm and follow the safety precautions, staying alert for possible aftershocks as well. Authorities are keeping a close watch on the situation. So the Prime Minister has urged everyone to stay calm, but at the same time also stay alert for any possible aftershocks. Till now, we have not in fact seen any sort of aftershocks after the massive earthquake in fact hit the national capital around 5:36 a.m. There have been no aftershocks, but Prime Minister hereby has stated and he has urged everyone to stay calm, but at the same time stay alert for any possible aftershock. Let me again go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who joins us live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, Prime Minister has stated, urge people to stay calm but also stay alert for any sort of aftershocks. Give us more details.
Well, that's right. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that strong tremors were felt in the national capital and in the nearby areas. Now, he has urged the people of the national capital and the nearby areas to stay alert, to stay calm, to follow the procedure. In fact, he's also stated that the people of the national capital and the nearby areas should also stay alert because of a possible aftershock, because we had seen that the aftershock, though, has not happened, but the authorities are also keeping a close eye on the current situation. But the update that we are getting is that there has been no damage to any property or lives in the national capital, though the tremors that were felt in the national capital and the nearby areas were quite strong. We had seen that people who were sleeping at that particular time, they even woke up. The people who were out on the street, they also told that how the shocks were quite strong. And these sort of tremors were not usually felt in the national capital, because earlier we had seen that the earthquake happening in the other areas, the tremors were felt in the national capital. But this time around, when the epicenter is here in the national capital, the tremors were extremely strong. So whether it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi or different politicians are taking to social media to asking the people of the national capital and the nearby areas to stay calm, to follow the procedure if there is any aftershock.
Right. Well, absolutely, Sabyasachi. Prime Minister has urged people to remain calm but also stay alert for any sort of possible aftershock. Sabyasachi, stay on with us.